नमस्कार, मैं हूं आपका दोस्त राहुल नंदवानी और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कंसर्निंग इश्यूज नाउ डेज विच इज डू मार्क्स मैटर फॉर सक्सेसफुल करियर्स। तो शुरू करने से पहले आप प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और प्रेस कर दीजिए बेल आइकन को ताकि हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस की अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहे। तो जैसा कि हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि अभी परसों ही यानी कि 13 जुलाई को सीबीएसई क्लास 12 का रिजल्ट आया है और आज यानी कि 15 जुलाई को सीबीएसई क्लास 10 का रिजल्ट आउट हुआ है। तो बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स पर मार्क्स का टेंशन और प्रेशर है। तो सबसे पहले आप सब लोग को ये बात समझ लेनी चाहिए कि मार्क्स डज नॉट मैटर फॉर सक्सेसफुल करियर। इट इज़ योर हार्ड वर्क, डेडिकेशन, स्मार्ट वर्क एंड समटाइम्स योर लक विच मैटर्स फॉर योर करियर. It is more important for you to decide your aim in life and then work on it with full dedication. Be aware regarding the opportunities related to your aim and grab them as soon as possible before they slip out of your hands. क्लास 12 के रिजल्ट वाले दिन आईएएस ऑफिसर नितिन सांगवान जी ने अपने ट्विटर अकाउंट से अपनी क्लास 12 की मार्कशीट पोस्ट की एंड ही गॉट 24 मार्क्स इन केमिस्ट्री विच इज जस्ट 1 mark above the passing marks. Along with this, he said that marks are not everything and there is indeed more to life. Something we all have grown up hearing a lot, however, reality has turned out to be very different. Remember that many a times we have been judged or deemed unintelligent because we didn't get that perfect score or that we didn't score as much as Sharmaji's daughter did. With board results being declared, it's that time of the year when students are under a lot of anxiety and pressure for what they think will decide their entire career ahead. But this is not entirely true. Now the question is, if marks does not matter for a successful careers, then why there is a lot of pressure on students for it? So if you have achieved marks more than 90% and if you are from general category or unreserved category, it will help you in getting admissions in some prominent universities like Delhi University, Punjab University for some courses where admission criteria is on merit basis. And it will also help you in getting scholarships for higher education on merit basis. Some of the additional benefits of good marks are हैंडसम रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट्स मेड बाय योर पेरेंट्स इन योर एजुकेशन. तो जैसा कि हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि आजकल एजुकेशन का एक्सपेंडिचर जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है. स्कूल फीस जो है वो 40,000 से लेके 1 लाख तक है एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट वी नीड एडिशनल कोचिंग्स फॉर बेटर रिजल्ट. So if we get good marks, it will be a handsome return on huge investments made by our parents in our education. The second one is it enhances our self-confidence. Of course, good marks enhances our self-confidence. When we achieve good marks, it builds our self-confidence to effectively study more in future. The third one is it enhances our reputation in society. Now, when we achieve good marks, we see our photographs in newspapers, everyone congratulates us, so definitely it enhances our reputation in the society. And the last one is it is a proud moment for your parents. Now when you achieve good marks, your parents are happier than you because they believe that you are going in the right direction and you will definitely become successful in the future. So for the conclusion, I just want to say that marks does not matter for the successful careers, but it does matter when you want to take admission in such prominent universities. So it's your wish now. If you want to take all these benefits, you will have to pay for it by studying hard for 1 year only. If not, focus only on that thing which you want to do in your life and do not take stress for these marks. Just convince your parents for it and leave the rest of the society as it is. Stay home, stay safe, study online. And thank you for watching this video.